Buying the motorcycle of your dreams is one thing, but there are times in motorcycles' life when things can go bad. Not every dealership has the right tools and the manpower to get your motorcycle back to normal in case something goes bad. That's when you start looking at options that are not just about getting your bike back to tip-top condition, but giving you an expert guidance. In Goa, we have one such place where we go for our all motorcycle needs. That's behind bars. And the man behind a bar is our very own Leroy Lobo.
Hello, hi, I'm Leroy and this is my moto cafe and workshop. I was into motorcycles as a passion. It was always in me, it was inbuilt, I was always after fast bikes, after speed, So basically I got my hands dirty on my own bikes at first, and after that it was like bikes of friends, and then in workshops helping my friends who were mechanics and stuff like that, and I learned a lot. So after coming down, I decided to start a business in which I am passionate about and something which has a meaning to me. So this is an extension of me and my love for everything two wheels, from dirt bikes to sports bikes to track bikes to everything. As you can see, I have my entertainment system out here. At the moment, MotoGP is going on and we're watching that. As well as we play movies based on training videos and motorcycle videos, and basically just have fun. Yeah, I have my coffee machine over here and my fridge and my Red Bull, of course, which I need. I can't live without it. This is my bike. It's my favorite bike at the moment because it has no traction, it has no ABS, no electronics, nothing, and it's like me. It's just totally wild. So it's a very important part of me. As you can see, our seating arrangement right now, I have an engine crane, my guitar, and all my gear. All this gear basically I've been using over the past years of riding, so it's a total mix of street, off-road. I have my off-road helmets, I have my off-road boots, I have my street gear. So all the stuff I've been with over the past few years is out here. So over here is my actual workspace. All the magic, all the actual work, all the sweat, all the tears, everything happens out here. Yeah, so as you can see, I have a fully stocked up area over here. I have motor coolant, motor oils, fork oil, chain lube, cleaners, whatever, Loctite, everything needed basically on the maintenance and keeping your motorcycle in top condition. I have a tire balance over here for motorcycles. I have a tire machine, new sets of tires over here, all my tools, everything. My workspace, I open up parts like fuel pumps, engines, whatever work has to be done here on the forks, oil seals, whatever is done over here on the machines. I have all my tools out here, and this is my RAM. It makes it easier if your bike is lifted, if you're checking for oil changes, if you're checking on certain things. It's easier if it's at eye level. So here I'm just going to put it down for you and show you a few basic steps and points. Okay, here we go.